Are you a person who buys groceries?
Yeah.
Me too. Have you noticed how expensive everything has been lately?
Yes!
Yeah, me too. According to Fortune magazine, grocery prices raised by 11.8% in 2022.
Blow me to Bermuda!
That's the fastest pace since the early 1980s. Well, guess what? We're not the only ones feeling the effects of inflation. Everyone is. Especially farmers. Remember those people who grow our food for us? Farmers are also very worried about inflation when it comes to their input costs, the yearly cost of all the materials used in operating a conventional farm, which have been really rising. Don't get us wrong, we are very aware that beyond rising input costs, the biggest thing driving food prices is massive corporate greed. I don't know if you know this, but food corporations had record profits last year. Fortunately, David Brandt, an Ohio farmer and no-till legend, he's reducing his input costs through incorporating cover crops. In a Progressive Farmer article, David said that if farmers could reduce their ground erosion by 50%, then they could save up to 30% on their input costs. This is huge when the yearly average farm expenditure is almost $200,000, according to the USDA. So we're talking big savings here. So, the more that we integrate regenerative farming practices like cover crops into our farming, the less our input costs will be, and so the more money we'll save. These savings would eventually trickle down to the consumer, so maybe at that point our grocery prices will be a little less scary. Speaking of which, we just launched a petition calling for more regenerative ag in the 2023 Farm Bill. Take 5 seconds of your day, visit regenerateamerica.com, and sign that petition. You will not regret it.